What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Denise Joy. During this series, I'm going to help you become way more confident because this is Design Potential. Join me for every episode as I show you how to unlock the potential and transform any room in your home. If you're already part of my community, then you know how I get down. I believe you should design your home the custom on a budget way. Custom on a budget, custom on a budget. Hold up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Please share this video. And girl, hit that notification bell. You know you don't want to miss nothing. During this episode of Design Potential, I'm sharing my ideas and design for my dream Afro Boho backyard. Over time, I took this backyard from gravel and cracked concrete to a solid base to make my Afro Boho dreams come to life. It doesn't matter if you are a renter or a homeowner. There are 5 key areas you should pay attention to maximize the potential in your home. 5 key areas to maximize potential. Number 1, create zones. Number 2, go bold with your wall treatment. 3, pay attention to lighting, both the task and the ambient. Number 4, your floor covering. And number 5, your decor and your art. Yep, that's the jewelry in the room. You got it. It's my outdoor dream backyard, but it needs some TLC. Ooh, child. This right here, this shed, I used to couldn't stand, that's right, this shed, because it was white, like a light tan, or not tan, it was like a light gray, and it just stuck out like a sore thumb because absolutely it's super useful, but it's right here where my patio area is, which I am going to set up in just a bit. Clean first and set up. But I decided to spray paint it with Krylon spray paint, and it don't look too shabby anymore now. Would you have risked it? So far, it's been great. The spray paint has been on for about 2 months, and it's been tons of rain and everything. And let me go in close and show y'all. It's still looking really good. Let me know what you think. It's been raining a ton, and the flowers need sprucing up. I've been so busy, y'all. I haven't given it the kind of TLC. I did mow the grass yesterday, so at least that looks decent in this video clip. It's just wild how much this mildew and mudgy stuff can build up. You can see it even on the retaining wall, the top. It's really not this color, so the power washer is coming out because it's time to make everything look so fresh and so clean. I got this power washer from Home Depot last summer, and honestly, it's one of my favorite things. I use it twice a year to help keep the mildew and the buildup down on my concrete surfaces, or rather hard surfaces, because they can look really dingy and dirty, and it doesn't make it fun to be in the space. If you don't have a power washer, you can rent one. Your local big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's will have one, or maybe even a neighbor, you know. Do what you can. It's totally worth it. Now I'm going to show you part 1 of my Afro Boho Dream Backyard when I built my outdoor counter. Mwah! I had something here before that was like a hodgepodge, but now, honey, your girl is feeling herself because it is going to be so dope, especially after I finish stenciling it. I call this the hodgepodge corner, and honestly, I just got sick of looking at it. I knew the design I wanted, and a friend was kind enough to create this rendering, so I knew exactly how much of my supplies I needed to buy. For outdoor projects, you want to use pressure-treated wood because they'll withstand the weather far better. I used a bold, gorgeous black stain, and I also used some clear exterior polyurethane for extra protection for the wood. I used a variety of tools, and I'll drop the list in the description box below. My main tool was a hand saw. Yep, a hand saw. After attaching my ledger board, right there behind me, I laid out the boards to make sure that I would maximize my cuts and not waste any wood. Also, laying everything out and planning helps you avoid mistakes. Honestly, I did make a mistake, but because I was still in planning mode, I was able to correct it. One of the most challenging cuts was to cut the first board that would rest on the ledger board and wrap around that post. From there, I measured and cut the rest of the boards for the countertop and secured the brace backing. Quick comment about safety. I normally wear safety glasses, but I didn't have them on this time. I actually had taken them off. And I always wear gloves because I love to protect my fingers. Ask me how I know. Now that the build is complete, it's time to add the second coat of stain. Now let's walk through the 5 key areas to maximize the potential of this outdoor room. Key area number 1. Creating zones is an absolute lifesaver. In this rough drawing, I mapped out where I wanted each zone. You'll make far better use of your space when you designate what you want to do in each area of the room. In this case, this outdoor room. Key area number 2, make it do what it do. Wall treatment. For the counter, I'm going bold with this lush, rich, gorgeous black satin stain. Key area number 3. Even for an outdoor room, you want to think about lighting. Key area number 3 is all about the lighting. In my backyard, I use a variety of lighting sources. I use the solar-powered string lights, solar-lit umbrellas, and my all-time favorite, which is the tiki torch. Love it. I'll drop a link to my product review below. Key area number 4. The cement floor in this outdoor room has had a couple of different treatments. I DIY stenciled this outdoor floor twice. For the current floor, I used a granite outdoor paint, which means that will last a long time. Key area number 5, don't take no jive. Decor and art is not only for the indoors. When selecting outdoor pieces, be mindful that they are durable and made to last for the outdoor elements. This area is fairly narrow, and it took me a while to figure out how to best use my zones and maximize the potential of my outdoor Afro Boho lounge. After a couple of tries, I settled on this cozy, intimate seating arrangement that helps to support conversation, hanging out, and also just chilling by yourself. One of the 5 key areas is to maximize the potential of your room by paying attention to your floor covering. I chose this funky rug to really anchor the Afro Boho vibe that I was after here in my outdoor lounge. With my custom on a budget design philosophy, I love to mix secondhand, vintage, and new pieces. It's kinder on the environment, and it adds a ton of personality in any space. The top of this thrifted table was pretty rough, but I gave it a coat of spray paint and it fit right in. On this wooden thrifted coffee table, I set up this funky trayscape. Yep, everything is thrifted. I snagged this mood-setting metal sign for just $5. Paid $3 for these Afro Boho planters. I repurposed them and turned them into candle holders. To round out my thrift haul, I snagged this gorgeous orange crackled glass vase and this remnant of granite that I put on top of my serving counter to give it some extra pizzazz. Now it's time for my favorite part, key area number 5. We're going to add some decor and accentuate our art. Keeping in mind my custom on a budget philosophy, these decor pieces are a combination of awesome thrift finds and a couple of new buys. maximize the potential in your home, it transforms your life. Using the 5 key areas to maximize the potential of my outdoor room, I transformed this space into my dream Afro Boho outdoor lounge. This finished DIY countertop dramatically enhances both the usability and the beauty in this part of my back garden. Don't you just love it? I customized the height of this countertop to fit me because I'm a taller person. So that's one of the benefits of doing something the custom on a budget way. You can get exactly what you want. Do you think adding that Adinkra symbol stencil elevated the Afro Boho vibe in my back garden? Let me know in the comment section below. Isn't she pretty? You really should grab your cocktail and join me because this Afro Boho backyard is totally dope. In my small to mid-sized back garden, I managed to put in 4 unique zones. The grilling zone, the dining zone, the fire pit zone, chill and kick back, and the all-important lounge. What's your favorite thing in my dream Afro Boho backyard? One of the zones, or maybe some of the thrifted pieces? Let me know in the comment section below. By using the 5 keys to maximize the potential of any room, including an outdoor room, I achieved all of my goals to create my dream Afro Boho back garden, outdoor lounge, grill zone, kick back at the fire pit. Y'all, come on over. This is my little garden area. I'm so proud of it. Container gardens here. That's some zucchini. And I got one little baby tomato. I'm a tomato mom. I got cucumbers. I've already been picking those. Some beans. Been picking those. Peppers. I actually built this. I'll drop the link to this. I built this raised bed here, gosh, a couple years back, but I really designed this entire area. This was not how this looked when I bought this house. This was just some gravel, and there were some lilies planted over here, but everything was really kind of hodgepodge. It was not designed. I've done so many DIY projects, and I've learned some great tips along the way. Here's a big one. As you are moving through your project, take time to clean up. Oh my goodness, there's nothing more frustrating than getting to the end of your DIY and you're looking at a massive cleanup job. So do yourself a favor. Clean up as you go along. Child, I put my whole heart and soul in that. As they say, I put my foot in that room. I hope you got something of value from it. Hey, drop a comment and let me know below what you like, what you love, maybe what you might even want to see more of. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and listen. Share this video with your people. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Denise Joy. This is not a musical. Rewind. That's how you feel when you put your foot in the design of a room. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you learned a lot. Well, when you feeling really good, like you really did something well, why do we make the ugliest faces? At least I do. I'm always like, it can't just be me. Thank you for watching my outtakes, my crazy antics. Love y'all. Bye. I know sometimes you look at your room and you think just throw the whole room away. But trust me, every room has great design potential. Somebody asked me, what's that behind your head in those video clips? And so this is a Cuba cloth, hand-painted Cuba cloth inspired wall that's in my YouTube studio down here, and it's pretty dope. I have a whole video showing you the process, so I'll drop the link in the description box below so you can check it out.